Hello friend, myself Anand Mohan and this is my friend Akash Swankar from Akash Kumar Patel. We all three doing our final year project in VI Microsystem Private Limited, and our topic is remote wireless automatic meter reading system based on Zigbee technology. And our internal guide is Mr. Amit Kumar, and this is our kit. And further it is going to be explained by Prabhakar Kumar Patel, so he will explain this.
Respected teacher and my dear friend, I am going to explain all the circuit. This is the step down transformer which is converting 230 volt to 9 volt, and this 9 volt is sent through the bridge rectifier. The work of bridge rectifier is to convert AC into DC, 9 volt DC, and the remaining ripples are converted by the capacitor in the form of DC only. And the work of the regulator is to supply the proper amount, the required amount of a power supply, and this all the DC is converted to the 5 volt and supplied to the microcontroller, and the rest of the portion is going to be explained by Akash.
Okay, this is Akash, and we are finished at power supply. Here 5 volts we are taking and it's gonna used in microcontroller. Okay, let's switch on the circuit, and this is a reset pin. Here load is coming through this energy meter and it is going to microcontroller, which reads this 1 unit as a rate of 3 rupees. Okay, this is the circuit where a relay is used and a load circuit is used. In load circuit there is a op amp which is work as voltage follower, and this is a relay which work as switch. Here this microcontroller and this RS232 is connected through a MAX 232, which convert the TTL logic into system logic. Why we are using system logic? Because we are using a Zigbee transceiver. Here this circuit board is working as receiver, and there is another circuit board which is working as transmitter. Here we are using two Zigbees. This Zigbee work as receiver and this Zigbee work as transmitter, and it gonna fixed in EB office and it gonna fixed in user location. Here this MAX 232 is converting TTL logic into system logic, which gonna used in Zigbee, and here it is taking the signal as system logic, and it is taking the signal as a system logic, and this is the linear power supply. Okay, this is giving 5 volt to Zigbee, and let's we gonna see the output of this circuit at the desktop.
AB server side. So on AB server side, we have one Zigbee trans receiver. So output of the Zigbee trans receiver is connected to the AB server by using this RS232 cable. So after fixing this cable to the communication port, you just select the COM port, which COM port is going to fix this RS232 cable and give the required bar rate. Actually normal PC connect the 9600 for rate. So close the board and again you open the port. Now the symbol shows port is connected. So now these two Zigbee are communicating. Now both the Zigbees are act as a trans receiver. In AB side, I just give the ID, means the corresponding ID is given to this Zigbee, receive the data, and what reading is at present, that reading is again transmitted to this Zigbee, and so on as here. So as here amount and unit, and as well as the status, which date you are going to pay. Within the date you didn't pay the money, means the EPF is simply not paid. So automatically the lamp getting off. So total power supply getting off in your home. So after the 2 days, after the finality, give the amount. So automatically it produces the paid. So automatically the lamp getting off. Likewise, the unit will be taken at the month. Here for the demo, you have to take the for each high to low changes. Here, each high to low changes, I take as a one count. For real time, 200 counts is active here, one unit. Because if for demo it take so much of time, for that purpose we take one count as a 1 unit.